Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Tacoma maintenance light. This common indicator reminds you when routine service, like an oil change, is due. Fortunately, turning off this light is a straightforward process that you can easily perform yourself in just a few simple steps. It requires no special tools and takes less than 1 minute to complete, saving you time and a trip to the mechanic. To begin, ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off. Next, locate the small trip meter reset button on your instrument panel, usually near the odometer. Before proceeding, make sure your odometer display shows the total mileage, not trip A or trip B. If it's on a trip meter, press the button briefly until the total mileage is visible. Now, with the ignition off, press and hold down the trip meter reset button. Keep it pressed firmly. While still holding the button, turn your ignition key to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. Simply turn the key far enough to illuminate your dashboard lights. You will see a series of dashes or zeros appear on the odometer display. Continue to hold the trip meter reset button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. You will observe the dashes on the odometer display counting down, or the maintenance light itself flashing. Once the light turns off or the display shows all zeros, you can release the button. Turn your ignition off, then back on, to confirm the maintenance light is now successfully reset and off.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.